In a picturesque village surrounded by rolling hills and lush fields, a remarkable grandmother named Ava lived a life of both joy and heartache. Ava had endured the unimaginable pain of losing her 3 children, but she found solace in the love of her 2 grandchildren, Lula and Sibusiso. Ava was a woman of extraordinary strength and unwavering love. She knew that her role as a guardian was not a responsibility she had chosen, but one she had embraced with all her heart. Her days were spent caring for Lula, a gentle and artistic soul, and Sibusiso, a determined and entrepreneurial young boy. Ava shared stories of their parents with the children, ensuring that the memories of her 3 children would forever be a part of their lives. She taught Lula and Sibusiso the values of hard work, honesty, and kindness, knowing that these were the virtues that her own children had held dear. As the years passed, Ava encouraged her grandchildren to dream big and pursue their passions. Lula's artistic talents flourished under her guidance, and Sibusiso's entrepreneurial spirit began to take shape. Ava supported them every step of the way, serving as a steadfast mentor and source of wisdom. The journey to success was not without its challenges for Lula and Sibusiso. They encountered obstacles, faced failures, and navigated the unpredictable twists of life. But their grandmother was always there, offering a helping hand, a word of encouragement, and the reminder that failure was a part of the journey to success. With Ava's love and guidance, Lula opened her own art studio, where she created beautiful paintings and sculptures. Sibusiso, in turn, established a thriving tech startup that revolutionized communication in their village. They worked diligently, incorporating the values that Ava had imparted, and soon their businesses began to flourish. One sunny morning, Lula and Sibusiso decided to take their beloved grandmother on a tour of their businesses. As Ava walked through the doors of their studios, her heart swelled with pride and joy. Tears of happiness filled her eyes as she saw her grandchildren leading successful companies and creating a legacy for their family. Ava knew that she had fulfilled her role as a loving grandmother and guardian. She couldn't have been prouder of Lula and Sibusiso, who had transformed their shared grief into a powerful force driving their success. They had proven that even in the face of adversity, a loving family could find strength and resilience to build a brighter future. In the end, Ava's enduring love, wisdom, and support had not only raised 2 accomplished business people, but had also become a symbol of hope and resilience for their entire village. The story of Ava and her remarkable grandchildren, Lula and Sibusiso, was etched in the hearts of the villagers, a testament to the power of love and determination in the face of loss.